Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how we can choose paper size in Word app from your mobile phone. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile, I just opened Word application. So this is a Word application. So using the Word application, you can create your own document using your mobile phone itself. You can create assignment, you can create your official work or school or college project, everything. So here I'm going to show you how to choose a paper size. For example, each and every document has a different kind of paper size. So A4 sheet, A5 or legal sheet, letter sheet, and all kind of sheets will be available. So how we can change into the mobile phone? So here there will be a plus button to create your new documents. Once you click a plus button, automatically it will ask you to create in OneDrive or use to save your files in documents. So you can choose according to your name. For example, if you save in OneDrive, means automatically it will store in your cloud. If you store with your mobile phone, means you need to choose this devices. So you can choose according to your needs. So whatever you want, you can store in your mobile or you can store in cloud. So here I'm going to click a blank document. So once I click a blank document, so first I need to fix the page. So what page size I need to fix, then only I can able to work with assignment or classworks or any other project. So on top you will find A and pencil button. So once I click A and pencil button, the menu bar will display over here in the downside. So once I click here, there will be a insert, draw, layout, review and views. These are the menus for the mobile view. So here I am going to choose a layout option. So once I click a layout, so layout will have margin, orientation and size. Here I'm going to select the size. So here defaultly Word will have a letter size. So you can choose a legal or A4 or any other size. For example, I'm choosing A4. So this is look like a A4 sheet. As you see, the display will display you about A4 sheet. So now I want to change my paper size into A5. So A4 is lower than A5. A5 is very small one. So as you see the display itself, it will be changing like that. So you can choose which paper size you want, to create your project. For example, your teacher may give at this paper size you need to submit your assignment. You can choose according to your needs. For example, if you want to make a orientation, for example, the landscape to portrait, portrait to landscape, if you want to change, means it won't be possible in Word app mobile. So if I click orientation, automatically it asks you to give a premium where. So premium only, the Word whatever you are paying version only, it will be allowed to change your orientation. So no need to change your orientation. You can change the size of the documents and you can work whatever you want. For example, if I have exit file, so existing file, how I can change my size of paper. So if I choose some assignment, so this is my assignment, I want to change a paper size as a A5 model. So here there will be edit option. On the top you will find a pencil button. Once you click a pencil button, automatically menu bar will come. So A and pencil button, just hit the button, your menu will be displayed over here. So same option, just click home and just select a layout and select a size and choose a size of the A4 or A5 or anything else. So automatically your page will be changed. So using your mobile phone itself, without laptop, desktop, you can create your own document in your mobile phone itself. So this will help you to create your document to send for your official purpose or your personal or assignment or school or college works. If you like this video, please give your comments in the comment box and click the like button. Subscribe my HowWorks channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.